Hello, friends. Welcome back to Speak Fluent English. Today, I will explain interjections in English. Interjections are important because they show strong emotions in everyday speech, such as happiness, surprise, pain, and more. In this lesson, we will learn different types of interjections with simple meanings and examples. Let's begin. First, interjections of joy. These express happiness or excitement. Examples include hooray, yay, yippee, and fantastic. Let's practice. Hooray, we won the game. Yay, I passed my exam. Yippee, we are going on vacation. Fantastic. This is a fantastic day. Next, interjections of surprise. These show shock or unexpected feelings. Examples include oh, whoa, gosh, and really. Let's practice. Oh, I didn't see you there. Whoa, that is amazing. Gosh, it is so big. Really, you did that? Now, interjections of pain. These express discomfort or hurt. Examples include ouch, ow, ah, and oof. Let's practice. Ouch, that hurts a lot. Ow, I hit my hand. Ah, that is painful. Oof, that was heavy. Next, interjections of sadness. These show disappointment or sadness. Examples include alas, oh no, aw, and too bad. Let's practice. Alas, we lost the match. Oh no, I missed the bus. Aw, that is sad. Too bad you were late. Now, interjections of approval. These show praise or agreement. Examples include bravo, excellent, great, and well done. Let's practice. Bravo, amazing performance. Excellent work today. Great job on your test. Well done, keep it up. Next, greeting interjections. These are used to greet people. Examples include hello, hi, hey, and good morning. Let's practice. Hello, how are you? Hi, nice to meet you. Hey, what's up? Good morning, everyone. Now, attention interjections. These are used to get attention. Examples include hey, listen, look, and excuse me. Let's practice. Hey, come here. Listen carefully, please. Look at this. Excuse me, I need help. Finally, common interjections. These are everyday expressions. Examples include wow, oh, oops, and hooray. Let's practice. Wow, that is beautiful. Oh, I forgot. Oops, I made a mistake. Hooray, we finished. Thank you for watching this lesson from Speak Fluent English. I hope you now understand interjections clearly. See you in the next lesson.